Today I'm going to show you how to install the pivot irrigation system for the ones that don't know how to. It's pretty simple from the one that was out there before. They'll do a lot of changing in the vehicle XML file, but this you really have to search for one word and delete it. So hopefully this will help you out. It shouldn't take too long, maybe a few minutes if you do it correctly. There are a few stages in here. You have the placeable green mat that you can put your pivot on there. You have the box that you have to use a front loader or wheel loader to take to where you've placed the green mat. And then you want to place it on there. You don't really have to use the placeable green mat if you don't want to. It's just in there. I'm not sure why I don't use it. So these are the boxes you have here. You don't want to click on the pivot itself. They'll just put the pivot in where you buy it all the way out. You don't want that. You want to buy the boxes first. There are different sizes ranging from 60 meters to 420 meters, but I'm just going to start off with 180 meters. So you want to go ahead and buy the box. Get a front loader or wheel loader. I use the wheel loader. It's easier to attach. There is a placeable mat here you can use, but I am not going to use it for this tutorial. You can use it if you want. It doesn't really make a difference in how and what you use. Let me just get another vehicle here. Well, actually don't need a vehicle. Yeah. I have drive control. It works nicely with the pivot system. And that way you can exit the vehicle and use it. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it here quick. I'm going to raise it a little bit so you don't get stuck anywhere. This version I've edited. It's not my mod. Took a long time to get to understand how to use it. So I'm just helping everyone out there that had it and not sure exactly how to use it. So hopefully this will kind of help you out here. You can place it anywhere on the map you want. If you want to place it in the middle of the field, you can. I'm just going to place it on the edge of the field here, just so you can see how it looks when it's open. So you go ahead and place it. Just back up a little bit. When you have the pivot system, you always want to place it on your left side. The reason why is because the pivot, when it comes out, it'll come out to the left. So if you're going to place it on a field like I have right now, the box will come out this way. That's how you want it. If you face it the other way, then the box is going to land up on the road and on the other side of the field. You don't want that either. Just so you know, you don't want you have you put it out there and it gets messed up. So go ahead and save this. And remember what game save you have. Mine will be number 7. So go into my game, my documents, farming simulator. Mine's on the save game 7. Then you want to go to the vehicle XML file. And then you want to go back to your mod folder. Open up the error France, and then find the README text. And you want to copy this word here, case. And that's going to search for the pivot in the vehicle file. You can close that up. To search. When you find it over here, all you have to do is just push delete and save your file. And that's it. And then your pivot system will be ready to rock and roll. So we'll go back in here just to show you that it's come out. My edit here, I've changed the name. I've changed it to Ringy. For some people that know, it's an American company. They do a lot of pivot systems. So I just changed the name, changed the ratio, how it turns, fixed the XML up a little bit. It was kind of buggy and a lot of errors in there. I do have a vehicle that will go with it, which Reaper has kindly let me use with his permission. So I've edited that to go with the pivot system. So hopefully everyone will enjoy this. So go ahead over here. You can see the pivot system is out. It did come out to the left side, like I said. So it's basically like a vehicle. You jump in there. You can go around. I use drive control, so I fire it up. Change the camera here. All right, the controls aren't the same as the W, A, D, and S. This is a little different. B is to turn it on as usual. So you have your system spray. Now in order to rotate left I should say, you'll want to use numpad 7 and then it'll rotate it to the left. To stop it, you want to use numpad 8 and it'll stop it. And then to go right, you want to use numpad 9. So those are the basic 3 controls. 7 to go, rotate left, 8 to stop, 9 to rotate to the right. So you want to stop. It's pretty simple after that. I mean, there's not much you have to do. You can exit the vehicle with the drive control and it'll still spray. You just rotate it and you can jump out. And it still moves, as you can tell. It's moving right now. So that's pretty neat. So that's how you install the pivot system there. And then I have a service truck to go with it that Reaper had let me use. So I know it says John Deere up here, but it's just a small edit of the kind of truck. Have some LED lights on the back of it, and then there you go. You have the service truck for ring key. Now there's a little thing to go with it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Any feedback would be appreciated. I can always keep fixing the mod if needed. But yeah, have fun.